Hi everyone, and welcome back to Micro Investor, where we do techno analysis and price predictions on many different cryptocurrencies every single day. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about Dogecoin and picking up where we left off in the previous Dogecoin video. Now, looking at things here with Dogecoin, a lot of consolidation, a lot of sideways trading, and we're really tightening up within this pattern. So we can see that we're within this wedge pattern. We've really consolidated a lot more. And there's still this possibility that we could be seeing Doge still break out from this to the upside. But I'm still at the moment, and I'm sorry to anybody that wants to hear me be more bullish. I think that we're still going to be seeing that move to the downside, and that's just given the direction that the pattern was already headed for before things started to consolidate. I still think that move to the downside is still more likely than not. And that's also just looking at this consolidation and how things are tightening up so much. At some point, things are going to be given out here. And that's where I think that move to the downside is going to happen next. So I would just expect at some point that move to come down with Dogecoin and then take it down within that fifth wave. So I'm thinking that we would be seeing that wave 5 come somewhere within the range of around 6 cents, more than likely, is what I'm thinking. And that's not that big of a deal, in my opinion, even though we did see this really nice run with Dogecoin. But you have to expect the current condition of the market is leading into this problem that we're having with Dogecoin, where Dogecoin is coming down. So a lot of that manipulation going on with the whole FTX drama and how Dogecoin did get pulled into that. But at the same time, Dogecoin is performing a lot better than many other cryptocurrencies, because what did we not see happen with Dogecoin? We did not see Dogecoin fall to a new 52-week low like we did with Bitcoin. You know, the most stable of the highly volatile cryptocurrencies that are not stable coins, if even you can call anything really a stable coin these days. So in the case of Dogecoin, the fact that it did not fall down lower than its 52-week low, and it's still up quite significantly if you were to compare it to where it was at just last month, and where we saw this nice rally with Dogecoin, where it really went up when Elon Musk became the CEO of Twitter. When that whole thing went about, Dogecoin's price went up significantly, going from a price that was, around the price of 6 cents, and then working its way up to going upwards close to 16 cents. So it made some very significant price movements, and then we've been seeing some pullback happen, and we were expecting that to happen at some point anyways. It's just this FTX situation did send things down a bit lower than what we wanted it to, and so then we really had to change things with the technicals. So originally what we were thinking was that we had seen Dogecoin go into a wave 1, come down in a wave 2, go up in a wave 3, and we were going to see it come down within a wave 4 and then a wave 5. Now we can't use those same use that right now, because the price did come down lower than what would have been our wave 1. So if we were to call it a fourth wave to the downside, then we had to throw that out. Now what we're doing is we're saying that this was all part of the wave 1, that the price did rally up, and then this price movement to the downside that we're within right now is that wave 2, and then at some point we're going to be going up in that wave 3. Now, the wave 3 is the longest, the most extended wave, usually always. So in this case, we would still expect the wave 3 to retrace everything from the wave 1 and still rally above that. So still very bullish with what the wave 3 would be bringing. And I think it would really make up a lot of what we had lost from those wave 1 gains. So with that, I think that we have a really good chance of even seeing the price of Dogecoin doubling from where it was at within this most recent rally that we had. So seeing it possibly go to a price that was 30 cents, I mean, that could be 30 cents or more, I think could be a possibility within the wave 3. But of course, these are going to be price movements that might take a bit longer to achieve. And this is all if people can stay bullish on Dogecoin with the whole momentum that we had before. So we really need to start seeing some accumulation with Dogecoin, which I think we would see it. I think we would see people jump back into Dogecoin and start to accumulate more here soon. But just at the moment, just with the current market conditions, that's just what we're not seeing right now. And it's just really the manipulation that has happened here with the massive sell-off, with everything that has developed with FTX. So at some point, I expect that we would find that bottom there. And I think after we do come down within that that wave 5 here to the downside within that price range somewhere around 6 cents, then I think that that's where we'll probably bottom out, and then we'll see that wave 3 take off from there. And just to verify for anybody that was wondering, if we just look at the Fibonacci retracement from this entire run here, from where it had gone up and then where it is coming down here within the wave 2 so far, if we were to look at that and just take this over and look at the fourth wave, or what I'm calling the fourth wave, no guarantees that that is a fourth wave, because of course we could still see that price movement to the upside. I'm thinking that within this wave 5, though, if we were to come down within this wave 5, that the price would go somewhere around the range of 6 cents. So, and that's just due to the fact that it would be one Fibonacci level lower for the most part from where the wave 3 was. But there's still that possibility that we could be seeing it go somewhere even between that 6 and 5 cent price. Not to try to sound bearish at all, but that would still be within the wave 2, given the fact that our 52-week low that we started the wave 1 with was at a price that was at 4 cents, very close to, 4.49, let's just say 0.049 was where we were within that, the start of that first wave. So really, as long as we come down between even 6 cents and 5 cents, we'd still be down within a wave 2, and there will be no issues there. And just to show everybody, that 52-week low with Dogecoin, it was 0.049. So I think that there's a good chance that we could be seeing Doge just coming down a little bit lower, and then from that point taking off, hopefully, and that would be this situation. But of course, this is all just my own opinions, not financial advice. Anything could really happen. I mean, given the market, we weren't expecting even Bitcoin to fall down to a new 52-week low, and now we're thinking that Bitcoin might even come down even lower than its newest 52-week low. So a lot going on over in the market, a lot of things to really be paying attention to. And hopefully at some point we can start being bullish again. But at the moment, just the conditions are not there. But Dogecoin, though, it really has been doing much better than many of the other cryptocurrencies that are out there. And the price is still staying within a range that is still, in my opinion, still very bullish if you were to do that comparison. I think that the psychology of people that are investing in Dogecoin, of course, in the long run, they really expect there to be a lot of possibilities here and really see Dogecoin rally, but we'll just see how things do play out. So with that being said, I'd like to hear everybody's thoughts and opinions. Do you think that Dogecoin is going to be coming down within a wave 5, or do you think it already just recently saw the most recent bottom and we're going to be seeing this current pattern lead to some upside momentum, hopefully? I'd like to know. So that being said, please like, share, comment, subscribe. I talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum every single day. And usually I keep up to date on what Dogecoin is doing and many other altcoins as well. Thank you for watching and listening.